Welcome, smart traders, to today's technical analysis video. In this session, we'll take a closer look at gold, US30, and GbpJpy, breaking down their current price action and potential trade setups. Yesterday's analysis played out well. As you can see, price respected the upward trend line and held at the support formed by the previous higher low. This led to a fair upward move, confirming bullish momentum. Now, let's move on to today's analysis. On the daily time frame, D1, gold remains in a clear uptrend, with price rejecting a strong resistance zone multiple times. This zone is now considered a key level. Meanwhile, the ascending trendline continues to hold, pushing price higher. This flat resistance combined with the rising trendline is forming a bullish continuation pattern known as an ascending triangle. However, for now, our focus remains on the trendline as the primary area of interest. Switching to the H4 timeframe, gold is forming a series of higher highs and higher lows, which confirms the uptrend structure. As long as the most recent higher low remains intact, we will continue looking for buying opportunities. Let me mark the key support zone here, between 32.95 and 33.09, which is created by the previous H1 low and the respected D1 trend line. This area acts as a strong confluence support zone. Now on the H1 timeframe, the price structure is still bullish with higher highs and higher lows. However, we need to wait for a pullback into the support zone, followed by a clear bullish confirmation, such as a strong rejection candle, before entering a buy trade. Reasons to consider a buy on gold. Bullish trendline support on the daily chart. Uptrend in H4. Formation of an ascending triangle. Recent rejection from the trend line. Now, let's move to the US30 chart. On the daily time frame, US30 broke above a major resistance level and D1 closed above the resistance level, confirming the breakout. In the next D1 candle the retraces slightly to previously resistance zone. In the H4 timeframe, US30 tested the RBS level and then continued moving upward, maintaining an uptrend structure, printing higher highs and higher lows. There is high probability that the price may continue toward a new higher high. What we need to do is to wait for the RBS zone below to get a better entry point around area of 42,900 to 42,800 for our buy position. This is a high probability area for potential buy momentum. Reasons to consider a buy on US30. Breakout of key daily resistance. Ongoing uptrend in H4. Rejection and confirmation at the H1 level. Lastly, let's take a look at GbpJpy. Yesterday, price did not reach our marked resistance zone between 199.50 and 198.90, and instead started to pull back before touching the major resistance area. On the daily chart, GbpJpy remains in a bullish trend, and price is gradually approaching a major resistance zone. So at this stage, patience is key, we do not take any premature entries. On the H4 timeframe, the market is still forming higher highs and higher lows, showing continued bullish behavior. However, once price reaches the resistance zone, we'll be watching closely for any bearish reversal patterns or signs of momentum shift. If confirmation occurs, that could provide an opportunity to enter a counter-trend sell with proper risk management. Key takeaways for GbpJpy. Price is nearing a strong resistance zone. Overall bullish trend, but approaching exhaustion. Wait for confirmation before considering any short position. If you have difficulty understanding this analysis, or want to improve your trading, you can watch my free price action course. I highly recommend checking it out. These foundational topics will help you better understand the concepts and strategies we use during technical analysis. You can find the link in the top right corner of the screen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback and engagement mean a lot and help me continue creating valuable content for you.